Did you know that most advice out there about resetting your TCL Smart TV without screen doesn't actually teach you a true factory reset? Well, you're in the right place to learn the difference between a soft reset that fixes minor glitches and a hard reset that completely wipes your TV clean. Let's dive into both methods and get your TV running smoothly. Let's start with a soft reset. This simple step can resolve small issues without erasing your data. Follow along with me. Here's how to perform a soft reset. Unplug the TV's power cord from the outlet. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. Press the power button to turn on the TV. Give it a moment to restart. If this fixes the issue, awesome. If not, it's time to try a hard reset. For a more thorough fix, we'll move on to the hard reset. This method will erase all your settings and data, returning the TV to its factory state. Follow these steps for a hard reset. Unplug the TV's power cord from the wall outlet. Press and hold the power button on the TV. While holding the power button, plug the power cord back into the outlet. Keep holding the power button until the TV enters hard reset mode. In the hard reset menu, use your remote to scroll to Wipe Factory Reset and select Yes, and wait for a few moments to process the reset. Next, scroll to Wipe Cache Partition and select Yes, and wait for a few moments to process it. After you've reset the settings and cleared the cache, next, select Reboot Now with your remote. After a few moments, Smart TV will turn on, and that's how you do it. Your TCL Smart TV should now be as good as new. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides like this. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.